You are satisfied, but you are so tired. Imagine you've just finished a day on your travels. You've been out and about and seen everything morning, afternoon and night, and all you want to do is to go to bed. But wait, you're supposed to be doing your travel journal. You've made a commitment to yourself that you were going to write everything down that you've done so that you can look back on it later and enjoy the journey again, looking at all your photos and videos and everything. So what are you going to do? Because you need to remember what you did, or else it all fades away so quickly. But the last thing you want to do is sit down and try to type it out, because that could take hours. What if I told you that there was an easy way for you to not just make a voice note, but for that adventure travel voice note to be organized with themes exactly how you wanted it to be organized? I mean, like, it rewrites that voice note for you. And what if I told you that I have a discount code for you too? I use this app every day, and I mean every day, for months now. I really wanted to put this app to the test before I recommended it to you. And believe me, I've tested it a lot over many weeks. I think this is a killer app to help you capture the best of your travel adventures in words without you having to type anything. You can even use examples of your own writing so that the AI behind this incredible app knows how you want it to be written. Heck, it could even write your public travel blog for you. So let me show you AudioPen AI, and then I'll show you another way to use it when traveling, and that code. Just a heads up as we begin, this is not a transcription service. I don't want to convert what I say into text. No. This is so much better than that, because what I actually need after a hard day of adventuring is someone to write for me from my audio note. With AudioPen, you can just start rambling into your mic and it'll turn your messy thoughts into clear text. It's super easy to use. Just click this big orange button at the bottom of your screen. As you can see, AudioPen is now listening to what I'm saying. With the free version, you can record for up to 3 minutes. And with the Prime version, which I paid for myself, I can record for up to 15 minutes. Anyway, what AudioPen allows me to do is just ramble. I can just throw all my thoughts out there without caring how they'll be converted to text. Just dump your thoughts, not worrying about repetitions or ums or ahs. Just get it all out there, even going backwards and forwards in time if you forget something. Now, usually I type these up and edit them before sharing or keeping them. But with AudioPen, I can talk instead. I just speak and AudioPen clears it all up. It will take out the stuff I've repeated. It'll remove all of my filler words. It'll organize the text so it's easy to read and share. And I use it for all sorts of things. And one thing I use it for is journaling, especially when traveling. AudioPen helps me to organize my messy thoughts by showing them back to me in a way that makes more sense. Now, you can use this process to create travel blog content. So for example, if I want to write a travel blog, I can basically just speak out my thoughts on a particular thing I did or saw or ate, or tell AudioPen that I want to clean it up and have it written in a particular format, and it will do it for me. Check out the 3-stage process here. You can see that it's starting to work. It goes like this: upload, transcribe, rewrite. While it's doing all of that, if you're a Prime user, you can also download the voice note you just recorded. So it takes like 20 seconds to a minute for longer voice notes, but in just a few seconds, AudioPen will finish rewriting and show me the note I just made. Yep, that's it. So this is what it's rewritten for me, and this is what my original text looks like. Check out this huge chunk of text, and here's the tidied up version. And I can do all sorts of things with this. Prime users can click here to rewrite it. I can say I want this shorter, and I can tell it to rewrite it for me. I can ask it to write in a different language too. I can also make it write in a different style. But hey, those are Prime features. Of course, you can just take this output on the free plan. You can maybe create an image out of that, and then you can share that. Or you can just shoot it out through email, Twitter, X, or whatever it's called now, or WhatsApp. Prime users have access to a whole bunch of other things too. You can tell AudioPen to write in that particular style I was talking to beforehand. This is the one I like the best. For example, you can add your own styles or pick from a bunch of ready-made styles. There's a style library here where you can go and customize your presets. And here is where AudioPen really shines. One cool thing is that as a Prime user, I can get AudioPen to write just like me. So I've created a custom style where I've entered some of my own text that I've written in the past, and AudioPen can write in that style for me. Besides that, you can totally ask it to write like an email, or you can ask it for bullet points or in the form of book notes if you want to use it for that. There's a bunch of other options like being able to tag notes, search for words, upload other audio files that you've maybe created in another app, or even other text notes too. Asking AudioPen to perhaps even merge or come up with a super summary. You can also get it to rewrite your voice note in a different style again if you're not satisfied with what it's come up with, and you can do that over and over. Now, because it's run as a web app, there are some limitations to AudioPen that you'll need to know about. You'll need a stable internet connection for transcription, but you can get around that by recording a voice note and uploading that for when you do have internet. Plus, iPhone web apps don't have permanent access to a mic or camera, so you'll need to give permission every time you record a note. On the plus side, there's a Chrome extension for AudioPen, so you can record from any tab rather than having to visit the website. Overall, I love this app, and I think that there's a good chance that you will too. Before I recorded this video, I actually went out to the founder and I said, hey, I'm making a video about your app and using it for travel. Do you think you can share how you use it for travel with my audience? And here's what he wrote back. Louis said, I like to record my thoughts daily or weekly while exploring new countries, but my favorite way to use it involves walking around a city and capturing my thoughts on the go. Typing while walking is annoying, and with AudioPen, I just use my phone to capture my impressions of the people, food, and atmosphere, and the general vibe. I've even used it to blog about my travels, jotting down ideas and adding pictures later. You can use it however you like. This is just my way. And there's more. A code to get 20% off if you sign up as a Prime user using my affiliate link. Just use the code TechPacker. You could use the free version and still get tremendous value out of it, but to truly enjoy the massive benefits of AudioPen, the Prime sub is the way to go. Try it out, see what you think, and join me in this video where I tell you how AI can transform your travel experiences. I'll see you there.